guys, this is Nita Ann with Beauty by Nita. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the power of sheer mineral powder. So this is an amazing product and I can't wait for you to see the quick transformation of how I can doll myself up before an evening out. So make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss a beat, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, this is Nita Ann. Welcome back to my channel, Beauty by Nita. And today I'm going to show you a quick benefit of our sheer our sheer silky setting powder. This is one of my favorite products with Mary Kay, and you're going to see how it really transforms the way I look in just a couple of seconds. So I've had a busy day and I'm getting ready to go out tonight. So I am going to freshen up my makeup with our sheer mineral powder. It's not sheer, it's silky. Why do I keep saying sheer? Our silky setting powder. Oh Lord, yes, our silky setting powder. And we have lots of different colors that go well with any skin tone. And I'm using our special foundation brush because it goes on a little bit smoother. But as you can see, it gets rid of that shine real quick and helps me look more awake and younger as you apply it. So I'm gonna just do 2 layers. Ta-da! And I'm done. Took me 2 seconds. Now, I can't be officially done without adding some of Mary Kay's amazing under eye correcting concealer. So I'm going to do that just to help me not look so tired. Just the couple dots underneath the eyes, and always using your ring finger because it has the least amount of muscles in it, dabbing underneath the eye area. Ta-da! I already look more refreshed and awake because of the amazing silky setting powder. I finally said the name right. And then of course I'm going to add a little bit of a lip gloss because you can never go wrong with lip gloss. Lip gloss always makes me in a better mood. Even if I've had a long day, I'm gonna add a little bit of my lip gloss. This is Pink Ballerina. And I'm ready for the second part of my day. So hopefully you like this quick tip on our silky setting powder. If you want to check it out, you can go to my website and place your order if you don't already have a Mary Kay Beauty consultant. And thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss a beat, and I'll be right back.